Hi. Why am I sat on the bed surrounded by clothes? That is a very good question. In less than 5 days, I will be moving across the world to Abu Dhabi for a year. So I'm in the process of packing up all my stuff. I have a lot of stuff. I don't do minimalism. So I somehow got to fit my life of 30 kilos into one suitcase and one carry-on bag. And that's the house phone ringing, so let's answer that. Okay, I'm back. It was just a spam call. So I guess less procrastination, more packing. Come. Oh my gosh, there's so much to do. I don't even know where to start. I've just been sat here for like an hour trying to work out what to pack. This is going to be a rough ride, kids. So let's, I don't know, pack up my life and throw it in a case, and I'll see you in a few days. Oh god. I am an hour and 20 minutes into this packing, and all I've done is gain a cat. You're a massive pest. I'm going to start, and I'm just going to leave the cat there because, you know, Pix, what are you doing? I'm going to pack dresses first because that's easy. I don't think this is going to fit. I'm going to get the packing cubes. I'm going to attempt to put everything into a packing cube. Oh dear. That just takes up one cube. Everything is going to need ironing when I get back. Oh gosh. And I hate ironing. I hope you're enjoying this packing journey. I am not. This is going to be way more than 30 kilos. Crap. One down, the rest of the bed to go. I'm back with a notebook. I'm going to write down everything I need and hope for the best that we get a little bit further on the list. So we're going to start with dresses, tops, jeans, skirts, underwear. I think that's it. It's actually not that much on paper, but then it's actually shit tons when I try and pack it all up. Okay, here we go. Oh, I forgot my juice. I've got a green juice now. It's not very nice, but vegetables. And this last week I have been eating so much rubbish because one, I'm stressed, and two, it's been busy, so we've not really had time. So juice it is. So we've got most things in the case now, so the next step for me is to actually pack all my toiletries, which I feel like I might need an additional case for. Oh god, it's rank. So I'm back. 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 5 hours after I started, and I think I'm pretty much down to it now. I do have a slice of toast. Oh damn it. Because snacks are important when you're doing big moves like this. I've also got my cabin bag out because it appears that my toiletries are quite excessive, but because of where I'm going, I don't actually know what I'm going to be able to get when I get up to. But I mean, I'm probably going to finish tomorrow or Wednesday, and it's going to be a multi-day thing. Here we are at the COVID testing centre. I am going to go and get a test, and as long as that is negative, we can fly on Thursday. So let's go and get a COVID test. Ooh, I've had loads of these done before for work, but it's never great when someone else sticks a giant cotton bud up your nose, but needs must, so we'll see you in a bit.
Will it be easier if you take your glasses off?
Yeah, we'll find out.
Yeah, do you want to put your head back? I'm just showing you that I'm opening this now, yeah? And then say, yeah. Give you one over.
Yeah, that's fine. It's the
ready for
nose
your
one.
nose? Yeah, you're so excited about it already,
I
aren't
can
you?
do it.
Yeah,
Right,
tip
okay.
your head back. sorry about that. Right, there's some tissues there for you. Please do help yourself.
Thank you.
Was that okay?
That was fine. It was very gentle.
Oh, but you definitely felt it though.
Oh god, yeah, you do, don't you? That's it, we're done. We have been COVID tested. That was fun. And they were lovely and that was really nice, but now it's time to go home and carry on packing because that's what we do. So yeah, we'll see you in a bit. And let's hope that COVID test is negative in around 24 hours time. Big sigh. So it's Wednesday afternoon at 2:30ish and this should be 24 hours before I fly. Instead it's 24 hours before nothing. So this is a little bit anticlimactic. I almost genuinely don't know what to say. So the position that I was offered has now been rescinded, and due to unforeseen circumstances I am no longer employed by the company, which is absolutely devastating, terrifying, and this is around 36 hours in total I've known before I was due to fly. I've packed up my life, I've packed up my bags, I've said goodbye to family and friends, and now I have to tell family and friends that I'm not going anywhere, I'm staying here in the UK, which I'm kind of gutted about, but maybe it's fate, maybe it's meant to be this way, and did I want to work for a company that has dropped me like this at the last moment in mid-air? I don't know. I want to say everything will be okay, but currently I now no longer have a job. I work in a very, very niche market, a medical photographer. There are not many jobs out there. I blog, I vlog, I have a side hustle, but that is nowhere near the level that I need it to be right now. So maybe this is fate interfering, which is fine. Everything's not fine, but I keep saying it's fine. Yeah, it is what it is, isn't it? I guess now we have to unpack these bags. We have to start afresh tomorrow. Today I'm just going to relax. Today I'm just gonna chill out, not worry about things really. Maybe I'm gonna worry a little bit, but mainly I'm gonna drink some more tea, I'm gonna go for a walk, get some fresh air, and maybe start unpacking later. But tomorrow I should know more, so tomorrow I'm gonna speak to apparently a senior member of the management team. Who they are I don't know, but they should be able to explain what has happened with such short notice. But yeah, there's no fun at the fair today, and we're just gonna make the most of it. Let's go see who's on my suitcase because it's really cute. Look, it's a kitten. Pixel. It's wet. I mean, that's probably good that we didn't travel 5,000 miles across the world with a leaking bottle in my case. Ta-da! As quick as that, the case is empty. Now what? Does anybody want to employ me? Free agent. Free photographer. That's exciting. It's been a week since I last recorded a video, and that was me unpacking, being very sad. I am less sad now, but I'm still really sad that I'm actually not travelling. I have spoken to the workplace today and yeah, I won't be going. That is unfortunate, but I understand why. It's not something that I'm to blame for. It is a UAE law, but at the same time I am really gutted that at this moment in time I won't be able to travel. So instead of UAE content, you are now getting UK content, including my little setup area, bag of popcorn, and as always, drinking tea or coffee on camera. We'll just see what the future holds and where we go, but for now I'm going to take a week or two and kind of decide for myself what I want to do. Have fun, guys. I'll see you in a bit.